Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a simple but a cool project in Tindercad. Making two LEDs blink alternately using RDU Uno. Let's get started. Setting up in Tindercad. Log in into the Tindercad and click to circuits. Create new circuit once you are in the workspace. Grab these three components from the toolbox. First, red color LED. Second, the green color LED, which you can change the color from here. Then grab RDU Uno R3 and two resistors, which you can connect to both or a single cathode or anode. Place the red light and connect the anode directly to pin 7 on the RDU Uno like this. And then place the green RDU Uno on the red light connected to the anode. And connect both the cathodes to the G and D, which is located on the RDU Uno. Now let's check the code. First, we have to take the forever code from the control tab. Then we have to take 4 set pin to high and low from the input panel. Then we have to then set the numbers as the anode which is set up, like 7447. And we also have to add wait seconds, like 1 second or 2 second. You can set the timer as you want. Then this is important to do that there is high low and low high in everything, and every code there is there. So let's check the simulation. And that's it. You just build a blinking LED in a Tinkercad using only RDU Uno and couple of LED lights and some resistors and wires. No breadboard needed. If you like this video, and hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to build next. Thank you.